Hey everyone, I'm Professor JellyBean, and today you're all going to be scientists. Get ready to get your hands into some gooey, slimy stuff. Now remember, this is not a cooking class.
Do not eat.
We're not making pizzas, we're not making jelly beans, and we are definitely not making jelly bean pizzas.
Ooh, I think I could like that.
What we are making today is something even better. Science magic!
Science! Woohoo!
So, let's make slime. In our cups, we've got our special slime solution. Let's discover this liquid by using some of our superpower senses. So first, what does it look like? Now, let's have a smell. But do a scientist sniff and wave it to your nose. Does it smell good or bad? Now grab your testing finger and put it in the cup.
Ew.
I've never felt something so disgusting in my entire life.
Now that you've had a good feel, I want you to rub it round and round on the palm of your hand. Now squish your hands together, squeezing them nice and tight.
Ew.
And slowly pull them apart.
Whoa!
How did that feel?
Sticky and gooey.
Okay, scientists, this might look like plain water, but it's actually our PVA solution. It's made from the same stuff that's in white glue, but we're going to change it into slime. We haven't made slime yet. We need a chemical reaction.
Oopsie daisy.
Science fact, a chemical reaction is when things mix together and change to make something new.
Okay, scientists, eyes up here. Watch closely so I can show you how to measure. Wait for my signal before you do anything, because that's when the fun begins. Time to measure in the linking agent, and we need 2 spoonfuls. Check out my funny shaped spoon. We're going to use the small side of the spoon. Make sure you hold the spoon over the cup. Turn the bottle upside down, give it a squeeze, and fill the spoon to the top. That's 1 and 2. 2 spoons. Now I'll mix it and check out the really cool change that's starting to happen.
Whoa!
Now it's time for you to measure in your linking agent. But keep your slime in your cup. Your slime might still be a bit watery, so snap that lid on and give it a good shake. Okay, let's dance! We don't want watery slime. If you pull it out and there's still watery slime in your cup, keep mixing or shaking until it all turns into one big squishy blob. It's time to have some fun with your slime. When it's time to pack up the slime, just snap on your lid. And I'll see you all again when you are set for the next experiment. scientists, let's make Freaky Goo Worms. In this cup is your freaky goo, and we're going to see if we can discover what it is by using some of our senses. So first, just by looking at it, what do you think it looks like? Now, let's have a smell. Does it smell good or bad? Now grab your testing finger and put it in the cup.
Ugh, disgusting.
All right, scientists, I think it's time I tell you what this freaky goo really is. But first, hands up if you love gummy lollies.
Yes!
What about ice cream? Oh, yes, that's delicious. Now, who here likes canned dog food?
Oh my gosh. What? Say what?
Blah, nope, that one was a trick. But here's the reason I ask you those questions. This freaky goo we've been discovering is actually hiding inside those foods. It's what makes your gummy lollies chewy and your ice cream thick and creamy. And guess what? It's made from seaweed.
Oh, sushi. I love sushi. Sushi's got seaweed.
Okay, let's get busy making freaky goo worms.
Yay!
But first, look and listen. We're going to mix in some color. So you're going to choose just one color, and you're going to put in 4 drops. So we're going to take the little lid off. We're going to use our thumb and our testing finger, gently squeezing 4 drops. Now, we want to make sure it goes into your freaky goo. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 drops. Put your little lid back on and then give it a good mix, round and round. You want to get your stick right down to the bottom and mix all that color into the goo.
Good job. I am so proud of you.
Okay, let's scrape the goo off the stick and then pop the stick into your cup of water. Now, I want you to grab your bottle and your funnel, and we're going to put the small end of the funnel into the bottle just like this. Very good. Now put your bottle onto the table, put your hands in your lap, and no touching until I say go.
Are you ready?
We want to hold our bottles on the table with one hand and nice slow pouring of the freaky goo. I'm going to hold it up so we can all see better. But I want you to keep it on the table. Slow, slow pouring. Now we're going to take our funnel out, put that on the table, and twist the white lid on nice and tight. Just like that.
Yay!
All right, grown-ups, you're up. Grab that calcium powder and measure 1 teaspoon. That's the small side of the spoon, and sprinkle it into the water cups. Ready, kids? Now it's over to you. Stir it slowly and watch closely. Is anything changing? Something's happening in there. Look at that. The powder's gone. Or is it? Nope. It might look like it's disappeared, but it hasn't gone anywhere. It's just changed and mixed in with the water. That's what we call dissolving. Once yours is dissolved, I want you to put your stick onto the table. All right, scientists, now we're ready for the really fun sciencey part.
Science! Woohoo! Oopsie daisy. Science fact. A chemical reaction is when things mix together and change to make something new.
We're about to make our freaky goo worms, but no touching just yet. Hands down, eyes up, and wait until I say go. To make our worms, I'm squeezing the freaky goo round and round into the calcium solution.
Now easy does it. Don't squeeze it all in one go. Make your worms bit by bit and pull them out as you go.
Can you see my little lid? Keep it up high like this, because if it dips into the water, it'll get blocked. And if that happens, don't worry. Call a grown-up to help. They'll show you how to fix it. Okay, check out this amazing chemical change that has happened.
Whoa!
As your cup fills with freaky goo worms, pull them out, put them onto the table, so you have room to make more worms. Okay, everyone, grab your bottles. On my count.
3, 2, 1, go.
When you made all your freaky goo worms, pop them back into the calcium solution and snap on the lid. Thank you for being awesome scientists today. Please remember to wash your hands before and after play. Don't eat your experiments. Keep them away from pets and babies. And take that sticky experiment outside to play. And be sure to visit Professor JellyBean online for more science fun. Hey kids, stay curious. The world is full of science waiting for you to discover it.